I like this item. I put it together. I actually decided not to place the metal piece that go in the middle, right under that drawer. And it seems to work pretty good. My microwave is actually bigger, so it would not fit. So I think it's pretty good. I really like it. So this is what I did, and it works perfect. Here is the extended piece, which was a little okay to place it, but I did it. Enough space to put stuff. This area here is small, but place fit in there. And a couple cups you can see, small cups. I actually had one of those, and I was able to put it. And I was able to put the spoons here, which is pretty small too, like my hand small. And yep, so I decided not to place the metal piece, which goes right here. So it would definitely interfere with my microwave, but it holds pretty good. So we just finished making this island for the kitchen, and we did not add another part because it's going to overkill for our kitchen. So actually we thought that now it fit perfectly here, and so I'm gonna show you. So this is what it looks like. Got a little drawer here. The wood is very nice quality, very sturdy, and that's the cabinet. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to hit that hard. And then we are going to see this one here, which you have additional table lift, so then you have a more extra room that you can cook in or do anything that's prep food. I mean, very nice. And the only thing that they forgot to give to us is the hooks. But other than that, it's beautiful design and very, very nice quality.
It's my newest addition to the kitchen, as I haven't filled it yet, so, but anyway, I have extra counter space now to do something with. I love my island, and when I'm done with it, I can just roll her back and put her away. No more little counter space over there. And I get a drawer. And I figure out where I'm going to put, maybe put lids or something in there. I'll figure it all out. Time to do it. I think paper plates would be nice there. Yep. Cool.
That's yours.
Silverware in here, and this is being used for storage for tea. And my air fryer, I know, fits perfectly down here, and then we don't use that, but this is perfect for the space. Highly recommend.